Today I'm going to be walking you through how a service call gets processed in FIELDBOSS. In our scenario, a call comes in from Ian Graff, the on-site contact at 8333 Van Nuys Boulevard, that there's no cooling on the second floor. David, the owner of this account, creates a case and logs the phone call. The origin of the request is shown under Case Details beside where it says Origin. You can also see other details, including the building location and the account where the device is associated with, along with all the contacts associated with the building location. A lot of this data would pre-populate once you've selected the appropriate account and building location that the issue pertains to. Now the first record is created, which creates accountability and lets you track everything. Everything goes through cases in our system. Items are put into the queue and dealt with based on their priority ranking. From there, David would create the work order, or as you may know it, a job. You can create a work order directly from the case by selecting it in the drop-down menu of items related to the case. This is what a work order looks like. A work order is where you can track all your costing for the job, as it's the costing engine where you accumulate material, labor, and subcontractor costs against the job. There are a lot of details included in the work order screen, including the products needed to complete the job, a description of what needs to be done, along with all the relevant account information.